Hello and welcome back Saraswati Chemistry classes. Shape your future with better results. So today we are going to discuss about some important chemical testing, organic chemistry. With the help of these tests, you can secure your 2 to 3 marks in your board examination. So let's start our video with the chemical test of alcohol at first. So पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे chemical test of alcohol के बारे में. After that we will discuss about some important test for aldehyde and ketone, then carboxylic and then amine. So in first lecture or first video we will discuss about only the important chemical test for alcohol. Well, as you know that there are certain organic compounds which contain OH group, or you can say that hydroxy derivative of alkane. Alkane के जो hydroxy derivative हो जाते हैं वो कहलाते हैं आपके alcohol. So whenever OH group attached with a carbon, that is known as alpha carbon, which further attached with one carbon nuclei, that is first degree alcohol. If two beta carbon are present, so second degree. If three beta carbon are present, so that one is third degree alcohol. So basically the method to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, we have two methods, two important tests, or you can say two important method, in which the first one is Lucas reagent. The first method is Lucas reagent and another one is Victor Mayer test. Both are very important for your board exam. So Lucas reagent or Lucas method is also used to prepare first degree, second degree and third degree alkyl halide with the help of first degree, second degree and third degree alcohol. And Victor Mayer process, that is the basic principle of this method is different behavior of first degree, third degree and second degree and third degree nitroalkane. So at first we will discuss about Lucas reagent. So आपको नोट भी करते रहना है मेरे साथ साथ. So first our method is Lucas reagent. Okay, ZnCl2 plus HCl, that is known as Lucas reagent or Lucas reagent. Well, first degree, second degree and third degree alcohols show different behavior with this reagent. As you know that this reaction proceeds by the formation of carbocation. The first degree alcohol form first degree carbocation, second degree alcohol form second degree carbocation, and similarly third degree alcohol form third degree carbocation. And as you know, with the help of hyperconjugation we can explain stability of carbocation. So third degree carbocation is more stable, which is obtained by third degree alcohol. Now just consider this one. This one is our third degree alcohol, which undergo react with our Lucas reagent. The formula is ZnCl2 plus HCl. Okay, now OH negative furnace and carbon has a positive. So it is clearly visible that in this case third degree carbocation form. यहाँ पर आपका third degree carbocation बना है. So our halogen Cl attached with this third degree carbocation, or it form third degree alkyl halide. That is R3CCl. This one is third degree alkyl halide. Now, during our chemical test, whenever we add few drops of Lucas reagent in our third degree alcohol, it immediately form turbidity. आपके solution में एकदम से धुंधला बना जाएगा. Just consider this test tube and we have unknown alcoholic solution. It may be first degree, second degree or third degree alcohol. And whenever we add Lucas reagent externally, आपने बाहर से इसमें ऐड करा है ZnCl2 plus HCl, और आपका solution immediately धुंधला हो गया. It produce immediately turbidity. So you can say that our given alcohol is third degree alcohol. Now in case of second degree alcohol, let's see, we have R2COH. This one is second degree alcohol. Now the second degree alcohol further react with Lucas reagent ZnCl2 plus HCl. This reaction proceeds with the formation of second degree carbocation. Now after addition of Lucas reagent, it forms second degree alkyl halide. This is R2CHCl. This one is second degree. So as you know that second degree carbocation is less stable as compared to third degree. So we obtain turbidity within 5 minutes. आपको turbidity within 5 minutes मिलेगी. So you can easily distinguish between third degree and second degree alcohol. Now in case of first degree alcohol, That reaction proceed by the formation of first degree carbocation. So we cannot obtain turbidity. आपको फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल के केस में कोई भी turbidity नहीं मिलेगी. So in general we can represent Lucas reagent test in such a manner that we have three sample A, this one is sample B, and other one is sample C. We have three different alcoholic solution samples. Now we add one by one. We add Lucas reagent in all the solutions externally. आपने सभी Lucas reagent add करा, and there is no change in solution. There is no change in solution. So you can say that our given alcohol is first degree alcohol. So always remember, first degree alcohol does not produce any turbidity with Lucas reagent. On the other hand, whenever we add Lucas reagent in second degree alcohol, it produces turbidity within 5 minutes. While in case of third degree alcohol, whenever we add Lucas reagent, it produces turbidity immediately. It immediately produces turbidity. So we can easily distinguish between first degree, second degree, and third degree alcohol. Now, it's all about Lucas reagent. Now the important test, that is second test, that is Victor-Mayer test or Victor-Mayer process. मैं यहाँ पर आपको कंप्लीट रिएक्शन मेंशन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हिंट मिलेगी आपको रिएक्शंस की, बिकॉज कंप्लीट रिएक्शन काफी लेंथी है, वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. बट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज Victor-Mayer process, that is Victor-Mayer process. The basic principle of this process is that primary, secondary, and third degree nitroalkane. Always remember, at first we will form nitroalkane from alcohol. The basic principle is first degree, second degree, and third degree nitroalkane show different behavior with nitrous acid. Just listen carefully. We will use acid that is nitrous, not nitric. The basic formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. So at first just form nitroalkane from alcohol. So पहला काम आपका इस रिएक्शन में ये होता है, टेस्ट में आपको अल्कोहल को कन्वर्ट करना होता है नाइट्रोअल्केन में. If we have first degree alcohol, just convert it into first degree nitroalkane, second degree alcohol into second degree, and third degree into third degree nitroalkane. Now this nitroalkane undergo react with nitrous acid, and after addition of KOH, that is alkaline medium, after addition of KOH, it produces different colors. You can say that first degree alcohol produces red color, second degree produces blue color, and third degree alcohol remain colorless. With the help of Victor-Mayer process, you can easily distinguish between primary, secondary, and third degree alcohol. But always remember the basic principle, that is first degree, second degree, and third degree nitroalkane show different behavior with nitrous acid. Both points are very important. Exam में direct पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है, what is the basic principle of Victor-Mayer process? Now just listen, what is the basic reaction? देख लेते हैं basic reaction इसकी. Just consider any first degree alcohol having formula RCH2OH, second degree alcohol having formula R2CHOH, and third degree alcohol having general formula R3COH. First degree, second degree, and third degree alcohol. Now, as you know, the basic principle of Victor-Mayer process is nitroalkane, different behavior. So just convert this organic compound into nitroalkane. So removal of OH group. As you know, the basic rule of organic conversion, removal of OH group is reaction with PI3. It form iodoalkane. Now it form RCH2I. आपका OH हट जाएगा, I जुड़ जाएगा. Similarly, it react with PI3 and form R2CHI. Similarly, this compound undergo react with PI3 and form R3CI. Now, just furnish this iodo with the help of AgNO2. आपने एजेंट के साथ रिएक्शन करा है, आपका I बाहर जाएगा, N2 जुड़ जाएगा. It forms first degree nitroalkane, that is CH2NO2. It undergo react with AgNO2 and form R2CHNO2. While this compound undergo react with AgNO2 and it form R3CNO2. Now we have three different nitroalkane, that is first degree nitroalkane, second degree and third degree. Now remember the rule, that is first degree, second degree and third degree nitroalkane show different behavior with nitrous acid. Now add HNO2. After addition of HNO2, clearly visible H2 यहाँ पर है, एक O यहाँ से बाहर कर लो, कंपाउंड आपका बन जाएगा RC डबल बॉन्ड NOH एंड NO2. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर आप रिएक्शन कराओ नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ, यहाँ से आपका H बाहर जाएगा, यहाँ से H जाएगा, यहाँ से हो जाएगा, माइनस ऑफ H2 हुआ, बच गया आपके पास R2CNO2 एंड डबल बॉन्ड NO. This one. Similarly, in this case, whenever this third degree nitroalkane undergo react with nitrous acid, there is no hydrogen. आपको हाइड्रोजन नहीं करने के लिए तो no reaction, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होगी. In last case, after addition of KOH, आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, पूरा एग्जाम में उसी की रिएक्शन है. And here after addition of KOH, in first degree nitroalkane directly when से first degree alcohol आपको मिल जाएगा red color. In second degree alcohol, it form blue color. In case of third degree alcohol, no reaction, कोई reaction नहीं हुई तो it remain colorless. It is the basic rule, basic reaction of Victor-Mayer process. Just note down, or you can take a screenshot. And इसका screenshot ले लीजिए. Then we will discuss about most repeated question of board exam. That is, how can you distinguish between propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol? There are three different methods. Question is, how can you distinguish between propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol? This one is propane 1-ol, that is CH3, CH2, CH2OH, and another one is propane 2-ol, CH3, CHOH, and CH3. Propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol. We have two methods. This one is OH attached alpha attached with beta. This one is first degree alcohol, while this one is second degree alcohol because दो बीटा कार्बन है. So first degree alcohol, second degree alcohol, either you can use Lucas reagent or Victor-Mayer process. And whenever we use Victor-Mayer process, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर Victor-Mayer process. It produce red color, while this compound produce blue color. While in case of Lucas reagent, it produce turbidity within 5 minutes, while it remain turbidity less. इसमें कोई आपको turbidity नहीं मिलेगी. So there are two basic methods or important methods to distinguish between first degree, second degree, and third degree alcohol. In next video, we will discuss about some important test for aldehyde and ketone like Tollens reagent, filling solution, Swift reagent, है ना? सारी मेथड में पढ़ेंगे. So चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर लर्निंग क्लास.